So, we're here today at Gamling McDuck, downtown Napa on 2nd Street. We're gonna check out the Chenin Blanc with our white chocolate strawberry. What I'm gonna do first is take a bite, let that marinate, get some Chenin Blanc, get a little nose on it. Just let that wash clean. Beautiful.
Good pair?
It's a good pair, yeah.
Wow.
Absolutely.
Not too bad?
It's good.
Good. Good for you. You load this up. So try 2. And then that one, just because last time I tasted that, even though they said there's no added sugar to it, it does have a little bit of sweetness. I think it go really well. Just a little bit more of a dark fruit flavor coming through to it.
Ooh, this is good.
Dark fruit flavor coming at you with this one.
Awesome.
This will be multiple vintage Cabernet Franc blend. So you get a little bit of variation from different years. We get a little bit more depth and complexity because we have all the different wines that are coming from a bunch of different vineyard sites and a bunch of different years. So you have some old wine mixed with some new wine as well. The entanglement actually comes from, here, let me see, that's right side up there. So the entanglement comes from here, which is a quantum mechanics theory called quantum entanglement. It specifies that 2 particles throughout space and time are inversely connected to one another. And when you do something to one of them, the same thing happens to the other at the same time. So there's 200 cases of this wine. There's 100 cases right side up, 100 cases upside down. So these wines are actually built into be pairs. So the idea is when you take this home and you're drinking it by yourself on the Monday, Tuesday, or whenever you want to open it, you're never really drinking it alone. Someone else has your other bottle, so you're entangled with someone else. You just don't know where they are. But I think, since you got a little bit of chocolate, a lot of people always associate like chocolate and red wine to be that kind of nice romantic pairing.
Right.
I think that you'll find that since it's a little bit soft, it does have all that good red wine cachet. But I think it was a really nice with the chocolate and the chocolate nova.
Chocolate Nova, right here with entanglement. It never gets old. The Nova's so good. And I've had it a million times. But I've never had this wine. Oh, wow.
Wow.
There's like an explosion of blueberry in that. That's amazing. Wow. Love the experience.
That's interesting. So what's it like? How's it different from we've done some pairings in the past. What do you think about this one? What's making it a little unique?
It has a very unique body and mouthfeel to it. That's like the idea of the wine here. And I can see that they're really playing on extracting that beautiful fruit, really focusing on that, because it just comes and pops you right in the mouth right away, like our Chocolate Nova.
That's phenomenal.
The idea is that it's about, like you said, it's about the fruit, not necessarily about the oak. So at the end of the day, what you're seeing is just that pure expression, that sense of place. A lot of our wines are focused on different regions and different vineyard sites. So let those speak, don't let the oak program speak. So like our white wines are all used oak. And these ones, they don't see that much oak, like 10, 20%.
Dude, that is something I really appreciate because the Napa Valley loves the oak. And I don't like the oak.
There's nothing
There's a
nothing
place
wrong
for
with
it.
it. There's a time and place for
There
everything,
is.
right? It's just that's kind of our philosophy. We're really trying to catch that Loire Valley inspired
Yeah.
style wine. So
Awesome
that's
stuff.
why we got Chenin Blanc and Cap Franc, guys.
I love it. Love it, love it. You guys are more, just like us, we're trying to innovate and try to change the world of food and nutrition on its head, just like you guys are trying to turn the wine industry on their head.
That might be a little bit too much flavor going on with that one. This is our C'est la Bérésina. It is a champagne-styled sparkling wine from us. It's a 2016 Blanc de Noir, 100% Cab Franc sparkling wine. Once again, thought it would go nicely with the...
I think that pairs better than the Chenin Blanc. Definitely. The effervescence just really helps clean up the palate a little bit. This side a little bit more soft fruit notes on it, whereas the Chenin Blanc was a little bit more tag and play, aggressive. They still worked out. And I think this is the solid pairing of the day.
Who doesn't like bubbles, man?
No.
I'm a bubblehead at the end of the day,
bubbles.
right? I'm a bubblehead at the end of the day.
I like that you're using, what was it again?
100% Cap Franc.
Yeah.
So, I mean,
Awesome.
To be honest, I don't know really anybody who's making 100%
No
Cap
one's
Franc.
doing that.
So, once again, just trying to innovate a little bit. Following the champagne rules, so this is it has a secondary fermentation in about 3 years aging, so we get those super fine bubbles as well as that toasty kind of brioche kind of aroma coming through.
You're gonna tell there's passion in your guys' wines for sure. Really good.
Yeah, you guys really like what you're doing.
And I remember when we first brought on, I think we had your Capricorn Rosé, is what we had at Kitchen Door.
Kitchen Door, yeah?
Yep.
Yeah.
When we first brought that on, that immediately captured my attention. I was like, this is something different, and these guys are wild and doing something fun. This is like 7 years ago, by the way. That is really interesting. I love that you guys are just pushing the boundaries. Like, screw it.
Still going,
Have fun.
only Shannon, only Capricorn.
It's freaking awesome.